Ladies and gentlemen, India's aerospace and defense sector is soaring to new heights. Please give a big round of applause for ET Manufacturing, everybody, for one more time, for bringing this together for all of us.
What it takes to get to the level of self-reliance, what are the challenges, what are the technologies we will need, and what are the policies we'll have. So I hope all of you that you learn something new today, you meet someone new today, and have an insightful day today.
India have now decided or to aspire ourselves to be Viksit Bharat at 2047. So what does it mean? That is, we are declaring that we will be developed. So how do we translate that for defense? So one is it has to be through Make in India, for self-reliance, through research and development, innovation, and launch of new technologies. I think that is what is the key.
When you look at manufacturing, it appears to be a simple thing, but there is everything from raw material all the way to rapid prototyping to the kind of skilled manpower that is required. These three aspects are critical, and unless we find a return on investment at the end of it, all of it, it's not going to be sustainable.
There are some good policies from government, like enablers, if I may say, something like positive indigenation list, something like IDEX, TDF, even the DPSU have been mandated to make 4,900 odd things, and every DAP has bettered the previous one in terms of ease of doing business. So it's not all that bad, which I was just mentioning, but one odd clauses and one odd policy decisions can do triple.
If there's any C-130 flying in the world, it's flying with a tail and a stabilizer and vertical fin from RD Patla and Hyderabad. This capability is not something that can be laid down by government policy. It is a demand of the manufacturer. The manufacturer has to demand the skill that he wants from the people who are working on that product.
Whether it's in India or global, we see that, and of course in the defense side, as we all know, government is the customer as well. So I think it's very important for us to understand that partnership with the government, with the PSUs is really important. Also pulling in the element of government to government. And this is where we have to remember we're talking about accelerating this whole self-reliance. And the true self-reliance will actually start happening when we, in our country, right, are able to create that IP and own that IP, because that is what is going to then dovetail across the entire value chain.
I think Arvind mentioned earlier about having that high aspiration of our own product, engine or aircraft. We have actually recommended once before to a government panel that the best way to do is to start with a partner, because we don't know what the world wants really, and we should be looking at a global thing with everything we do.